All right, so I've got my salmon fillets here that we caught on the Puget Sound on Sunday. This is a beautiful coho. And I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on it. Kind of generously squeeze some lemon on it. And then adobo seasoning. This stuff is gold. I'm going to link it for you. I literally put this on almost everything we cook. Chicken, fish, it's incredible. Sprinkle it generously. Butter on top. This is fresh goat's butter. You can use any kind of butter. Generously put that on here. And it is ready to go in the oven. Look at how red that salmon is. You would think it was dyed with red dye if I hadn't actually pulled it out of the Puget Sound myself. So anyways, that's it. Cook it at around 375 in the oven for maybe 15 minutes till it looks done, and it's good to go. That is absolutely beautiful.